Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Does a lack of space stop you from getting your cardio in? This is a space-saving, foldable, stationary bike, and it has a tiny footprint. So if you are concerned about space, this just might be the solution for you. It has a 330-pound capacity, 16 level magnetic resistance on the bike, and it has a monitor to help track your time, your speed, your distance, and your calories, plus a little area to hold a tablet, a book, or your phone. So even though it has a small footprint, it does not skimp on all of the features that you need in a stationary bike. It even has resistance bands for your arms and legs. I really appreciate how well this bike works for me and my husband, and yet I can fold it up and put it out of the way because I don't have a dedicated space to have my bike all the time out. So it really works for me to have a stable, dependable indoor stationary bike, but also be able to fold it up and store it easily. So don't let bad weather or lack of space stop you from getting a cardio workout. This folding stationary bike has everything you need to stay active. It's stable and dependable, but takes up a minimal amount of space. And that is my point of view.